Imagine this. What if you could deliver a really amazing presentation that leaves the audience begging you for more? Yes, you can do that. And all it takes is for you to subscribe to our wonderful video called Sticky Steps to Creating Killer Presentations. This lesson is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is how to design a very clear and concise message, because without a message, what's the point of presenting, right? Part 2 is how to transform this wonderful message into a presentation. It could be a PowerPoint presentation, it could be a flip chart, or it could just be you talking to somebody. Part 3 is for you to learn how to deliver the message so that people just go, wow, thank you. So just 3 simple lessons. Lesson 1, how to create the message. Lesson 2, how to transform the message into a presentation. And Lesson 3, how to deliver the presentation. That's it. I look forward to seeing you in the lesson. Take care.